Traveling in 2026 is all about staying connected, powered up, and stress-free. From charging stations to universal adapters, the right travel accessories can make your journey smoother and more enjoyable. Let's dive into the best travel gear for your next adventure. The Anker 647. Charging station is a game changer for anyone traveling with multiple devices. With a sleek, compact design, it provides 4 charging ports, including USB-C, making it easy to charge your phone, tablet, laptop, and other gadgets simultaneously. The fast charging technology ensures your devices get powered up quickly, so you're ready to hit the road or board your flight without delay. Its space-saving design makes it perfect for hotel rooms, airports, or your travel bag. If you need a reliable, all-in-one charging solution, check the links in the description below for pricing and more details. The Anker Solix C1000 portable power station is perfect for travelers who need to power up while on the go. With a massive 1,000 watt output, it's capable of charging laptops, phones, cameras, and even small appliances. Whether you're camping, traveling, or working remotely, this power station ensures you're never left without power. The compact design makes it easy to carry in your car or backpack, and the multiple outlets, USB-C, AC, DC, offer versatile charging options. If you want peace of mind during your travels, knowing you've got reliable power on hand, check out the links below for full details and pricing. The Apica Universal Travel Adapter is a must-have for international travelers. With support for over 150 countries, it ensures you can plug in your devices no matter where you are. The adapter includes multiple USB ports and a universal AC outlet, allowing you to charge your electronics without carrying around multiple adapters. The compact and lightweight design makes it easy to pack, and the built-in safety features, like surge protection, give you peace of mind while charging. If you're planning a global adventure, this universal adapter is a travel essential. Find more details and purchase links in the description below. The Anker Prime 100 watts 3-port wall charger is a powerful solution for travelers who need to charge multiple devices quickly. With a total output of 100 watts, it's perfect for fast charging laptops, smartphones, tablets, and other electronics simultaneously. The 3-port design includes both USB-C and USB-A ports, making it compatible with a wide range of devices. Its compact size makes it ideal for travel, and the advanced charging technology ensures safe, efficient power delivery. Whether you're working on the go or just need to charge your gadgets in your hotel room, this charger will keep you powered up. Check the description below for pricing and more info. The Anker 548. Powerbank is the ultimate travel companion for keeping your devices charged on the go. With 24,000 mAh of power, it can fully charge your smartphone several times and still have power left to spare. The 60-watt USB-C output is perfect for fast charging your laptop, while the multiple USB-A ports are ideal for smaller devices, like your phone or tablet. Its slim design and portability make it easy to pack in your bag, and it's perfect for long flights, road trips, or days out exploring new places. If you want a reliable, high-capacity power bank for your travels, check out the links in the description below. From charging stations to portable power, these travel accessories will ensure you're always powered up and ready for your next adventure. All the links to check them out are in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.